Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Forever. I am fine and I hope that you will be all okay and fit from health by the grace of God and your loved ones are safe and happy. Dear viewers, you are watching the best and trendy collections of raincoats. These raincoats are very beautiful and charming colors, specially made for rainy season. Completely waterproof and windproof, excellent romantic hooded raincoats. Dear viewers, if you want to see much more collections about fashion, raincoats, rainwear dresses, hunter boots, rain boots, leather dresses, latex leather dresses, hunter boots, rain boots, so please visit my YouTube channel Fashion Forever and search videos about your own choice. Dear viewers, I hope you will like my video and enjoy my video. So I request you please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Pressing the bell icon, you can get my new uploading videos.